Hi students, welcome to another session of Smartly Learn. In this session, we are going to see how to solve the second question in exercise 4.3. Now let's look at the question. Find the values of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have two equal roots. There are two quadratic equations. Now let's look at the first one. 2x squared plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0. So let's note down the equation. 2x squared plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0. We are supposed to find out what is the values that this k can possibly take. The given condition is the roots are real and equal. We know that if the roots are real and equal, the value of b square minus 4ac is exactly 0. So, let us compute the value of b square minus 4ac with these values and equate it to 0. So, a here is equal to 2, b here is equal to k, c here is equal to 3. So, let's substitute here. So, b square means k the whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3 is equal to 0. So, k squared minus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So, k squared minus 24 is equal to 0, which means k squared is equal to 24. So, we need to compute the value of k. So, I'm going to apply root here. Please note both positive and negative values are applicable. So, k is plus or minus root 24. You can leave it like this or you can simplify and write. So, rationalizing root 24, it can be written as 4 into 6, right? 24 is 4 into 6. If I remove the 4 outside, this is 2 root 6. So, the value of k is equal to plus or minus 2 root 6. So, this is going to be the values that k can possibly take, both plus and minus 2 root 6. Now, let us look at the second quadratic equation. So, the equation is kx into x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. So, kx into x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. Now, this doesn't look the standard form. So, first let multiply, arrange everything so that you can look at a nice quadratic equation. So, multiply kx with x, so you get kx squared minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. So, since they gave you, we need to find the value of k, and the condition is the roots are real and equal. So, we are going to again compute b square minus 4ac and equate it to 0. For us, we know the value of a is equal to k, the value of b is minus 2k, the value of c is 6. So, let's substitute that here in the b square formula. So, minus 2k the whole square minus 4 into k into 6 is equal to 0. So, when I square it, the negative sign vanishes. So, 4k squared minus 24k is equal to 0. I can take 4k outside. So, 4k into k minus 6 is equal to 0. So, there are two possibilities here. K is equal to 0 or k is equal to 6. So, both the values give you the possibility that k can take. Now, if k is equal to 0, what happens to the quadratic equation? So, you look at 0x squared minus 0x plus 6 is equal to 0. So, this is not possible. So, k's only possible value that you can have is going to be 6. So, the value of finally k will take is going to be equal to 6. In the next video, we will see how to solve the third question in this particular exercise. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.